Isa rin po sa mga na-mention niyo po yung pagbubukas ng salin. Na-discuss po ba ito during your...
Hindi namin na-discuss yan, pero it's going to be policy. Inahanda lang namin yung mechanics. But next week, baka pwede na. Baka we start releasing this already. So yes, next week. I will ask them to make available this information. But of course, we need requesting parties to ask for the information. Huwag naman blanket. Baka naman hingin nyo sa amin yung buong file. Mahirap yan, di ba? Hindi naman tama. Tsaka baka ma-weaponize. Ang kailangan dyan, may undertaking tayo pag kumukuha tayo. Para naman public interest pa rin.
So, starting po nung silence from 2024 or yung yung before the previous ombudsman said na muna ilalabas yung silent back ng mga weaponized. Ilalabas mo ba yung mga silent book from that time until...
It's possible. I can look at that possibility. I am open to that. We'll decide. Pero ano ko, I don't want to be... I want to open this to the public. I want to open this office to the public. Kasi dapat ito sumbungan ng bayan. One of the campaigns we will launch will be crowdsourcing of information for lifestyle checks. Kasi ang lifestyle check kasi mangyayari dyan, hindi natin i-rely lang sa fact-finding dito, sa investigators. We will ask the public to contribute to us sa lifestyle checks. We will open a line for that. So that, kasi ang kapitbahay naman na pwede magsabi kung anong buhay ng gusto mong pag-aralan. Yun ang ating bubuksan dito.